The reality of climate change. What is climate change? I'm sure you have all heard the word climate change. According to National Geographic, climate change is the long-term alteration of temperature and typical weather patterns in a place. Climate change could refer to a particular location or the planet as a whole. Climate change may cause weather patterns to be less predictable. In simple words, climate change is a shift in those average conditions. Okay, in this video, I will discuss more the causes and effects of climate change. As humans that live on Earth, we need to take care of the Earth. Earth is the place where we live. Therefore, we need to take care of this. The main cause of this climate change is human activities. Humans are 95% of the causes of climate change. These human activities can be in the form of cutting down trees illegally, like this you can see in here, which causes the forest to become barren so that the air will become very hot. In addition to continuous burning fossil fuels like oil and coal is also the cause of this climate change itself, like smoke from vehicles that produce carbon monoxide, like this. We are also consuming more product from the animal that release another pollutant called methane. Then there is also deforestation that affect the people and animals where trees are cut. Lastly is urbanization. This is also the cause of climate change because these urbanization activities will release a lot of fossil fuels so that more gas is trapped. In addition to human activities, the cause of climate change is the greenhouse effect. For you can see in here, this is the greenhouse effect. What does the greenhouse effect mean? When the gases are in the air and when the sunlight gets into the earth, some of the heat gets trapped and the planet gets warmer. It is called the greenhouse effect. Why does the greenhouse effect occur? This is because a lot of gas from human activities that I have explained before. What gases can cause climate change? Such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, and chlorofluorocarbons. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped and increase the Earth temperature. After discussing the causes of climate change, let's focus on the effects of climate change. Antarctica is an area where most the environment is ice cubes. If the temperature on Earth is increasing and climate change occurs, we can witness the phenomenon of ice in Antarctica. It's terrible, isn't it? In addition, the change of seasons will also occur, with extremes such as flooding everywhere, like this. A very severe and prolonged drought. Difficult to maintain and grow crops in regions that rely on farming, because expected temperature and rainfall levels can no longer be relied on. And the last is people's physical health problem. Climate change can affect people's physical health because the warmer atmosphere creates a lot of smoke that can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. So, what is the solution of the climate change? The solution can be done first by replacing fossil fuels with renewable energy. For example, replacing a car that runs on diesel or gasoline with an electric car. Then you can also use solar technology and rainfall. Gas from petroleum can be replaced with biogas or from animal manure. In addition to direct action, we must also provide understanding and knowledge to people about the importance of protecting the earth from climate change and how bad the world would be if fellow human beings could not be sensitive to each other to prevent the earth from being damaged. The last solution implemented is the existence of the Paris Agreement, or can be called an agreement in the United Nations Framework Convention in Climate Change, which oversees the effective reduction of carbon dioxide emissions, which will enter into force in 2020. And this agreement was made at the United Nations Climate Change Conference, nation in 2015 in Paris, France. I think you know Paris Agreement because this is very famous in our world. We are the weather maker, so only we as humans can change this earth for the better world. Therefore, love the earth and take good care of it, because there is no planet B. Earth needs us. I think that's all from this video about climate change. Hope you like it and thank you for watching. See you!